Hey, what's up? My name's Marvel. Today we're gonna be doing an outdoor photo shoot. Blue sky and some puffy clouds and psych, we're in a photo studio. Gotcha. People ask me, Jimmy, how do you take a photo? Well, come on, I'll show you. There's a makeup artist. You get your art department. One second, I'm on the phone. No, I'm not. It's art department. Come on, let's go. You have to bring in lights. Here's something they won't tell you in photo school. There's a lot of different colors of tape. Today I'm gonna be using the Vivo phone. It's just extremely convenient to be creative with this thing. Self-expression. I think just like the act of creating is the biggest form of self-love. So just being here today is a way to give myself a big fat kiss. The themes of like self-love and taking care of yourself, they show up repeatedly in this work. It's kind of literally and figuratively. What color flowers do you have? I love to ski in my free time. I love to go to the beach. So like incorporating a little ski mountain vignette or a little beach scene, just like small ways to just kind of put a little bit more frosting on the cake. So many people say, hey Jimmy, I don't know how to use a camera. And I'm like, you don't have to know how to use a camera. This makes it so easy. Like you just put all the stuff inside of the frame until it looks good. And that's more or less it. Even Colin's stuff. Wow. See, there's not much to it. Some of the features today that I was really leaning on, I was using portrait mode a lot. It lets you make the background do what you want it to do. It uses Zeiss lenses. If you talk to like a photo nerd and you said, oh, it's Zeiss, a photo nerd would go, oh. Go express yourself. You can go love yourself. You can be that person. It's easier than you think. Go make it beautiful.